Now I believe there's a preponderance of evidence that it was manufactured in the lab and it leaked, most likely accidentally. The evidence we've obtained, since that time, several things. One is that around September, we're starting to see a lot of cases coming in Wuhan to the hospitals. The Wuhan lab actually took their database offline in September 19th in the middle of the night, obviously trying to cover it up. We saw the head of the POA, Kim Bio General, literally taking over the lab in 2019. There were the Military World Games that took place in October, where we have heard testimony, 9,000 athletes traveling to Wuhan saying it was on lockdown. And then many of these athletes leaving Wuhan with flu-like symptoms consistent with COVID. In addition, we had 3 of the researchers at the lab hospitalized with flu-like symptoms. Finally, it's pretty clear now with open source documents and papers that were written by this Dr. Shi, or the Bat Lady, with Peter Daszak, that they were involved in this gain-of-function genetic manipulation, attempting to create a very harmful, dangerous SARS-like virus that they could then develop a vaccine for. And then we had State Department cables warning about the safety protocols that were not taken at the lab. We've also found out that this should have been done at a BSL-4, but it was done at BSL-2 and 3 labs, not really sufficient to safeguard. It's just very compelling when you look at all the circumstantial evidence in this case.